Hello and welcome to From the Roots Up, where we're building our homestead from the roots up. I'm Makayla and today we're planting baby's breath and basil. If you missed our first video, I was doing a grow along with Flower Hill Farm, and these are my snapdragons that I planted, and they're doing great. And I've thinned most of them, but there are a few that have 2 in there. If you've been following along with us, you know there's a sneaky creature that has eaten our plants. We thought it might be a bug, so we put some diatomaceous earth. That didn't work, so Daddy set up a camera and caught him red-handed. It was a mouse! We put a mouse trap out and we got him, and he's taken care of. I had to re-sow a few of my snaps, but now they're doing a pretty good job of growing, and some of them are getting their true leaves. A true leaf is the second set of leaves, and these are actually the leaves that will actually stay on the plant. This one has 3, but I think most of the others have 2 other little ones, which are the true leaves, like this one. That one's a true leaf coming in. Now that we've finally planted our snaps, we're going to be planting the baby's breath and basil. So we had trouble with our snaps drying out too much because we used some bagged seed starting mix. So now we're going to use my homemade seed starting mix. And if you missed that video, it's in the link below. This time we moisten the soil before we put it in so it can save us one less step. We have to put the dirt in these little pods, and I don't just take a little bit of a little handful at a time, because that can take a long time. So what I do is I take a big cup, fill it up with dirt, and spread it out. And that's all I do. And it's super easy, and it's pretty quick, but yeah. These are teeny tiny seeds, so we're gonna pour them out on plates and use tweezers. That was the baby's breath. So this side we're gonna use baby's breath, and then this side is gonna be basil. And you can tell that it's split evenly halfway in the middle because there is a line. It kind of splits the trays in half. And then there's arrows showing you which side is the front. So baby's breath on the front, basil on the back. It's alphabetical order. Basil. I'm going to put 2 seeds in each pod. So now we're gonna plant the basil, and I think it's big enough that I can pick it up with my fingers. Yeah, that's easy. So in my first grow along video, I showed you the stickers that I was designing that I was gonna get in the mail. Well, they are. They're nice vinyl stickers from Sticker Mule. They had these round stickers on sale, so we got like, I think 50. So I'm going to use them whenever I wrap a bouquet in the craft paper. Instead of using tape, I'm going to use the sticker to seal the craft paper. Thank you for joining us as we planted baby's breath and basil. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for updates on my grow along.